Okay, here we are, driving up right across Maliko Gulch. It is raining today. Okay. We're on our way down to Kihei. Whether we'll make it or not, in Hilo Hattie's, who knows? I'm with my mother.
It was a little bit overruled by all the rain.
Thank you. Okay. Now.
Oh, hey, look at that over there. Is that five?
Yeah, this is part of the tour. This is what you do on Maui on a rainy day. Rather than come for the sunshine, come for the rain. Here we go. No snow, lots of rain. Here we go. Death wish. Death wish.
You think it might be smart to head back?
Oh, we're almost there. It's going to end up here at the top of the mountain.
Almost where?
Ye of little faith. I ride this road every day.
I don't know what you're on. It looks like the end of the road.
Matching with drinking water. Going to bed at night, driving up Kapakua Drive. Okay, here we go. There's the church.
Is that the Catholic church?
Yes. But you're going to a Lutheran church tomorrow.
Well, I'm not going to Catholic church tomorrow. I'm not by the
Portuguese cemetery. St. Joseph's Church. Here we go. Got a speed bump right here.
I got a school here. Oh, they got a lot of Portuguese up there?
This is pretty much settled by Portuguese. Okay, here we go. Look at that. This is it for the rainstorm. We're going to be up in dry country. We're going to the high ground. Wait.